Hey guys, so today we meet again for an FBA on princess seams, tops and dresses like the one I'm just wearing right now. You'll see the tutorial to sew this dress next week, but for now let me show you how to make an FBA on this garment and every princess seams garment. So you'll see in this video that it's very simple to make. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post them in the comments. Before I leave you with instructions, let me remind you that I have social media on Facebook and Instagram under the name Couture Positive, and that if you liked this video, at the end you can put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to have some news about my upcoming videos. I remind you also that for the English speakers, I'm actually subtitling every single videos that I previously made on this channel, but that takes a lot of time. So to make it easier for you to find them, I made a special playlist gathering all the English speaking and English subtitle videos. So don't hesitate to go and look them up. Anyways, I'll leave you with the instructions now and see you at the end. Start by drawing the seam allowance on your pattern pieces. In this pattern, it is 1.5 centimeters or 5/8 of an inch. Draw a straight line from the bust notch to the stitching line. Link the top and bottom stitching lines with the bust apex you just found. Cut along these 3 lines, leaving small hinges at the top and bottom of your pattern piece. Do the same thing with the other piece. Place a piece of paper under the side piece. Stick the main part of the piece to it, leaving the hinged part free. On your new piece of paper, extend the previous bust apex line. Measure the length of your FBA divided by 4 on this line, starting from the bust apex. For example, if you need a 4 cm FBA, measure a length of 1 cm. Pivot your hinged parts so that the previously drawn lines cross at the FBA point on the apex line. stick in place. Draw the new pattern piece's edge. Measure the distance between the two hinged pieces on the stitching line. Place a piece of paper under the front piece. Stick one of the two hinged parts to it, leaving the rest of the pattern piece free. Draw a line from the stitching line of the stuck piece with the length measured on the previous piece. Align the second hinged part with the end of the line and stick in place. Cut around the two new pieces. Don't forget to put the new notches on your pattern pieces in the middle of the gaps you created. That's it, your FBA is now finished. So that's it for our tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. I hope it will help you to make your FBAs on future princess seams tops or dresses like this one. If you like this video, you can put a thumbs up at the bottom of it. You can subscribe to my channel to have some news about my upcoming videos, especially if you like this dress. Next week there's a tutorial that will be coming on this dress. Also, if you're interested in my channel, I remind you that I am actually subtitling everything in English, and so that it is easy for you to find the subtitled videos, I made an English-speaking playlist, so don't hesitate to go and look it up. Please put in the comments if you have any questions, or if I wasn't clear enough on in my explanations, or if you have anything to add to what I said. I also have social media on Facebook and Instagram under the name Couture Positive if you're interested. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one, and happy sewing!